In previous tutorial, we have seen how to fork a repository. So today let's do fetching the upstream content. That is, the original content is changed while you are developing the code. So for example, in search for repository, you the original owner has added some task list. So that is not there in your local repository because that is an independent copy of original repository, but you want those things in your local. In order to fetch that thing, you need to follow two steps. One is set the remote origin location and then rebase. Rebase is something like replay whatever the master node has committed into your local master. So I will explain in detail by going through example. See, this is my search algorithm, which is forwarded from the remote repository, and let me go and copy that into my local machine. So in order to do that, I need to run git clone and the URL of forked repository. So what it does is it will copy the content into a local machine, and you can see that folder here. So exact content will be copied here. You can see here content of the folder. Okay, let's do. If you see here, there is no new changes in my fork repository, but let's add some content to the remote repository. So what I'm doing is I'm opening another instance in Chrome, and I'm myself adding some uh, remote content here, such that you the tip channel should get the latest update. So this is the original repository, and I'm the owner of it, and I'm adding some task list here to readme file. So I'm just clicking on edit and adding some readme task list and some sort algorithm need to finish like that, and then I'm committing these changes. Later what happens is your remote origin is changed. You need to get that copy. There's because there are a lot of copies your repository needed. Now to get that, you need to set where is the location you are forked from. So in order to do that, you need to set the remote origin. So go through, um, have a gist which is pasted below in the summary of the YouTube. Uh, Copy this command and go to your command and copy the remote location URL. That is nothing but clone URL. And so now upstream is set. The next is you need to fetch the upstream. It won't automatically fetch the new content, but it is just fetch the content from the upstream. It is not overwrite into your local machine. In order to do that, you need to do the rebase. Rebase is something like whatever master node master content is changed is played on your master. That is like rebasing thing. So that is a complex command, and I'll explain in another video about rebasing it. But for right now, you do the rebasing using the rebase command. If you see here, I've rebased it, but in my GitHub account doesn't have that checklist. In order to do that, I need to pull push the changes, whatever I rebase. Rebase is another commit, you can say. So you need to push the changes. So after push it, you can see that. Thank you.